In the grand tapestry of world history, the threads of religion weave through the fabric of societies, coloring them with the hues of faith, belief, and practice. Land-based empires, sprawling across vast territories and encompassing diverse peoples, face the monumental task of managing religious diversity. For AP World History students, understanding the dynamics of religious tolerance and conflict within these empires provides invaluable insights into the complexities of governance, societal harmony, and the human condition. This exploration into the realm of religion within land-based empires uncovers the strategies employed to foster tolerance, the consequences of conflict, and the enduring impact of these interactions on world history. The Ottoman Empire, a colossus straddling 3 continents, Europe, Asia, and Africa, offers a profound study in religious management. At its zenith, the empire was a mosaic of Christians, Jews, and Muslims. The Ottomans employed a system known as the millet system, which allowed religious communities to govern themselves in matters of faith, education, and marriage, under the overarching sovereignty of the empire. This pragmatic approach to governance exemplified a form of religious tolerance that enabled the Ottoman Empire to maintain internal stability and control over its diverse populations. Similarly, the Mughal Empire in India, under leaders like Akbar the Great, showcased a remarkable endeavor to bridge the vast religious divide between the predominantly Hindu population and the ruling Muslim minority. Akbar's policy of Sul-e-Kul, or universal peace, sought to transcend religious barriers, promoting an ethos of tolerance and inclusivity. He engaged in religious dialogues, abolished the jizya, attacks on non-Muslims, and even attempted to create a syncretic religion, the Din-i-Ilahi, which, though unsuccessful, underscored his commitment to religious harmony. Conversely, religious conflict has also played a significant role in shaping the destinies of land-based empires. The Safavid Empire, which rose to prominence in Persia, adopted Shia Islam as the state religion, distinguishing itself religiously from its Sunni neighbors in the Ottoman Empire. This religious demarcation was not merely spiritual but also a source of political and military conflict, most notably in the Ottoman Safavid Wars, which were fueled by both territorial ambitions and sectarian differences. The entrenchment of Shia Islam in Persia also contributed to the long-standing Shia-Sunni divide that continues to influence geopolitical dynamics in the Middle East. The Spanish Empire, fueled by the fervor of Catholicism, embarked on a campaign of religious unification within its territories through the infamous Spanish Inquisition. The expulsion of Jews and Muslims and the persecution of those deemed heretical to Catholic doctrine were measures aimed at consolidating religious and royal authority. However, these acts of intolerance sowed seeds of resentment and conflict that would ripple through generations, affecting Spain's social fabric and its relations with other nations. For AP World History students, these examples illustrate the spectrum of approaches to religious diversity in land-based empires and the outcomes of such policies. They reveal how religious tolerance can serve as a tool for governance, fostering peace and societal cohesion, while intolerance and conflict can lead to societal fractures and instability. These historical narratives also highlight the importance of leadership vision in shaping the course of religious tolerance and the intricate link between religion and statecraft. In analyzing the dynamics of religious tolerance and conflict, students gain insights into the challenges of managing diverse societies, the impact of religion on political and social structures, and the profound ways in which beliefs and practices can unite or divide peoples and empires. These lessons underscore the importance of understanding and respecting religious diversity, not only in the context of historical empires but also in our contemporary world. In conclusion, the saga of religious tolerance and conflict within land-based empires is a captivating chapter in world history that offers rich lessons for today. It teaches us about the power of inclusive policies to build strong, harmonious societies and the dangers of intolerance and division. As AP World History students delve into these stories, they not only prepare for their exams but also equip themselves with the understanding needed to navigate the complex interplay of religion and society, both in the past and in the present. Through this exploration, students are reminded of the timeless value of empathy, respect, and tolerance in creating a more peaceful and just world.